just made it. Look at that. Just made it. All right, well, I guess it's finally time to give y'all one of them cold starts that everybody likes so much. Cold start, successful, I guess. I don't know. Let me know if y'all like it or not. Remember, it's pretty much straight pipe back to the mufflers, stock box in the back. Still sounds super good. I don't know if I'm going to change it because of how good it sounds, to be honest with you. It sounds really, really good. Right now, it's actually in like the cold start mode right now. Still in sport individual, but the other flap doesn't open until it leaves the cold start. So when it idles down, you can hear the other flap open. Right now, it's still a little warm. Pardon me, my nose is a little blocked up. Believe it or not, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's been like that for like months, bro. I got all the COVID tests and all that stuff like that. I don't have COVID, but yeah, I gotta figure something out because like, yo, it's really, really, really getting on my nerves, yo. I was bored one day and I don't know if it was AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, I forgot. I'll put the link down below. But I stumbled upon these right here. So I'm gonna peel them back. Let me peel it off real quick. Little side note, I obviously had to make a video on this because to be real with you, if somebody make a video about this, they milking it. But this right here. So I forgot what I was on, but it was one of those websites where you can get stuff for cheap. And it came from China. I'm gonna be real with you. It took a while to get here, but nothing really to make videos about. But just wanted a bottom trim to match the top trim. You see right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but comment below, tell me how it looks. To be honest with you, it's just like the start and stop button. I put it on and I don't even really think about it. It makes the car look, I don't know, it doesn't really look that much different. It's nothing to really notice. It just adds the silver trim onto the bottom, no big deal. If you like it, you do. If you don't, then you won't. But this is the blacked out or smoked turn signal for the mirror. It doesn't just flash, it kind of glides down the path. I'll show you when I install it, which should be soon. Now, for this being a cheap thing, I think I paid like 30 bucks for it. It's pretty nice because it's supposed to be plug and play, and two, it comes with an actual tool to pop the mirror caps off. I haven't watched a YouTube video on how to pop the mirrors off, so it might take me a little bit longer. I don't know, maybe I should, but sometimes I feel, sorry for my thumb in the cut, but sometimes I feel that, I mean, it's kind of weird if you watch a YouTube video of a video you're gonna do. I don't know. I kind of want to show you guys how I do it as if it's like my first time and I never got any like experience. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's get outside the car. Really don't want to, but I have to in order to put the mirror caps on. All right, guys, shut up. Check out the Honda right there. Y'all see that thing? That Honda looking nice. Okay, this thing is crap. It keeps breaking. This tool.
The first thing you need to do is get the glass and manually press it as far up and to the car as you can.
Can't even do that.
Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take a thin trim tool like this. You're going to slide it in the back, and we're going to very carefully pry the glass out. Now, the glass is extremely fragile and it's very expensive, so keep that in mind as you're doing it. So I'm just gonna go up here and
so just by watching like the first 2 minutes, or not even two, like 1 minute of Brian's video, I was doing it all wrong the whole time. Now here comes the part where I think to myself, should I risk breaking a glass, taking it off for some turn signals that were like 30 bucks, 40 bucks? Ah, hell, why not? Whatever, let's go. Okay, so I did it without breaking anything. Let me see something. Boom. Look at that. Made life easier for when you're lazy and want to sit in a car. Managed to get it off. The mirror's looking a little crazy right now. You take a look at it. I have the steering gear trim cover. I didn't break any pieces or brackets, thankfully. But yeah, so how this comes out, I did a little bit more than you're supposed to. I took off those four black screws, which you really don't need to do, apparently. I just took them off, I guess, for shits and giggles for this little piece right here. So this was extra work for me. You don't need to take off those 4 screws. I did. However, this is what you have to worry about. This comes off with just clips. It doesn't screw in. The only screws come from the turn signal indicator, or the turn indicator. This, what you have to worry about, these 2 clips up top, which is super easy. Sorry for my ashy hands, it's cold out here. These pins right here, and these 2. So it comes out super easy on this corner if you pop it. These ones can be a little bit difficult. Didn't film this side because I kind of really didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, so now that I know, I will show you guys step by step on the other side. And if you guys are still a little confused and just tuning to Key's Motorsports video, however, boom, here we go. So if you look, if you take a look right here, this is factory OEM, which is clear. I kind of like the clear, I'm not gonna lie. And this is the smoke black, which has the sequential type of thing built in. And plugs are the same, so we should run into no issue there. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this, show you guys how it looks, and then we're gonna do this side.
Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. My posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking out and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on and had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, it shows me. I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. The fam, you a dead man. Jesus peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't trying to be dependent. I need money never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the owner, you rent it. Whoa, step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic, breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and yeah, how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon' pop that. See it, I like it, yeah, I'm gon' cop that. When we on top, how you on top that? Nah, you ain't got nothing on us. I'm steady calling your bluff. Pass me the split, need me a puff. You don't want smoke, tell them that's tough. Yeah, yeah. Heard them lasers talking out and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on and had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, it shows I ain't. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Look at my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Look at my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.
There you go. Let me see if I can make it smaller. It's gonna look stupid. Let's see. Yeah, it is a lot better. Oh, I forgot to turn the lights on. God damn. It's a little nighttime shot. Look at that. Looking nice. Little nighttime. Comment down below if you guys like the way it looked. I'm just gonna end this video. I'm on the iPhone, so pardon me. But yeah, here we go. It's over. Back from Slowspeed.